Hello kids, let's begin our class. Today I will teach you articles. What is article? Article is small word which is used before naming words or noun. We have three articles: a and the. We will understand each of them. First, we all know we have 26 alphabets, A to Z. In this 26 alphabets, we have 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels. And we have 21 consonants like B, C, D, F. Okay children? Now, the simple rule is when a word is starting with a consonant, we put the article A, like cat. It's starting with a consonant C, so a cat. Like dog, a dog. Like I saw rat. I saw a rat. Here R is a consonant. If a word is starting with a consonant, we use article A. Okay children? Very easy. Now, when do we use article and? If a word is starting with a vowel, like ant, it's starting with A is a vowel, so we will say an ant. Like egg, it's starting with a vowel E, we will use an egg. Like ink, it's starting with I, it's a vowel, we will use an ink. So, very clear, if a word is starting with a consonant, we will use article A. If the word is starting with a vowel, we will use article an. This is very easy for beginners. Now, when to use the article the? If we are talking about something which is unique, which is only one in this world, or we are talking about something particular, we use the article the. Like sun. There is only one sun, so we say the sun. Like we say Himalayas. There is only one Himalaya, so we will say the Himalayas. If I will say star, there are so many stars, so it will be a star. Okay, not the. But if I will say that particular star, then I will say the star. Like, I will show you some more examples. I ate an apple. The apple was big. Here, apple is starting with the vowel A. So, we have used an article an. Here also it's apple only, but we have used the vowel the. Why? Because here it's simple. Starting with the vowel A, we used an. Here, we are talking about this particular apple. In this sentence, I ate an apple means I picked one apple or I got one apple, I ate it. Any random apple. Okay. So, now here the apple was big. Now I am talking about this particular apple which I had. When we are talking about something particular, we use the article the. So instead of an, it became the. The apple was big. Understood, children? I will explain you with one more example. I saw a dog. The dog ran fast. Here there is a word dog, dog. Here we have used an article a. Here we have used an article the. Why? I saw a dog. Means I saw a dog. Any dog I saw. I'm not telling any about particular dog. I just saw a dog. It was starting with a consonant. We used an article a. Here we use the article the. The dog ran fast because I'm talking about this particular, this specific dog. That's why I use the article the. Understand? Now, till now we understood if a word is starting with a consonant, we have to use the article a. If it's starting with a vowel, we use the article an. And if we are talking about something unique, something which is one or anything particular, we use the article the. Now, let's learn little more. Let's look at this word. Hour. Now, here you all will say article a will come. But no. Now we have to be little more big. Instead of looking for the alphabets, we have to look for the sound also. Is the sound which is coming, it's coming with a vowel sound or a consonant sound? Like hour, hour. So when we are saying it, we are saying hour. It's starting with O. The vowel sound it's starting with. So it will be an hour. Understood, children? The H is silent here. Okay? So it will be an hour. Like when we are saying unicorn. When we are saying unicorn, it's starting with U, which is a vowel. So it should be article A. But no, when unicorn, when we will say U, your sound is coming. So Y sound is coming, which is, so we will use an article an. Understood, children? For the basic, we can start by looking at the alphabet, vowel or a consonant, and we can use a or an. But slowly we have to start following the letter sound. So we have to think which letter sound is coming. Like honor. Honor. Which letter sound is coming? Honor. O letter sound is coming, which is a vowel. So we will use an, honor. Understood, children? Like university. 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 Your sound is coming, which is a consonant. So we will write a university. Though it's starting with a vowel, but we have to follow the sound. Here it's starting with a consonant, but the sound it's making, it's starting with a vowel sound. So we are using an. Understood, children? Now tell me, egg. It's starting with a vowel sound. So we will use an egg. Understood, children? Like cake. Cake. It's starting with a consonant sound. So we will use a cake. Like mat. Mat. It's starting with a consonant sound. So it will be A, like ink pot. Ink. E is a vowel sound. We will use and. Understood, children? I will suggest watch the video again. Slowly you will be able to understand. In the next class, I will come with the more examples of article. Bye kids. See you in the next class.